We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce names as well. So how do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, because the American pronunciation is just slightly different, it is said as prophet. Prophet. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is normally said as prophet. Prophet in American English versus prophet in British English. Just a slight difference on the O sound. Pro in British English versus pro in American English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Thanks for the support, by the way. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.